I've got a fun meal I'm going to do on the grill, something you never would think of. How about some Cioppino? Stay with me and I'll show you how we do it. So we're going to do something unique. We're going to do Cioppino on the grill out of the RV. Yeah, you can do it. You know my motto, chef it up, eat well, no need to eat poorly on the road. And tonight, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Basically, Cioppino is an Italian stew with fish and shellfish and all kinds of things in it. We're gonna do it on the grill. We're gonna get some smoky flavor in it. And I think it's gonna be a great meal that you're gonna wanna try. Now, the key to making good Cioppino starts and ends with your prep. You want to make sure that you get all of your mise en place cut up and ready to go, because we're going to do this on the grill, so there's not going to be a lot of time to come back in and out to get everything started. So, the first things first, we got to get everything prepped and ready to go. We'll start the process with getting some bacon and or pancetta cut up. Then you want to cut up some red onion and some red bell pepper. That is all going to go into the Cioppino. With this, we've got seafood, we've got shrimp, monkfish, clams, all going in to this great dish. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye. Just like to remind you, if you like the content that you're seeing here, make sure you click and subscribe. Love to have more subscribers on the channel. And if you click that bell, it'll alert you whenever a new video is coming your way. So on the grill, I have a cast iron skillet that's been heating up. In that skillet, we're going to add some butter. We want to make sure we get that all the way around to coat everything. Then we're going to add in the bacon, the red bell pepper, and the red onions and start getting that cooked down. Now that the bacon, the onions, and the bell pepper have cooked down for a little bit, we're going to add in some minced garlic and get that into the mix. Start warming that up. As you add different things to the pan, you want to make sure you give them some time to really meld together. Next in the boat, we want to take a can of diced tomatoes. And then you're going to take some red wine. I'm using a Cabernet Sauvignon. I really like that. It adds some great body and flavor to your Cioppino. You want to stir that up and then cover it. The next step in the process, you want to take your spice blend, which is oregano, thyme, basil, salt, pepper, some red pepper flakes, and some garlic powder, and you want to get that into your Cioppino. Then you want to add in your seafood, and then you want to make sure that you mix it around so that the liquid is on top of all of your seafood, especially on top of your clams. Once everything is mixed and covered, you want to just close up your grill and just let time take over. Alright, this is crazy. Look how close this deer is. He's not getting my Cioppino. Oh, buddy, now this is one of my favorite times. Take a look at that Cioppino. It has been cooking. It is absolutely fantastic and ready to go. We're going to take it off the grill, very carefully bring it into the RV, not to spill or fall, and we want to get that onto a grill just to cool for a little bit. Then we're going to take our garlic bread, which consists of basically olive oil, a little garlic powder, and some Parmesan cheese. We'll put it onto the grill and get some garlic bread ready. The Cioppino is done. It's now time to plate it up and eat this bad boy. Bellissimo. Here you go. Cioppino on the road, on the grill. Let's try it out. Absolutely fantastic. Again, folks, I tell you this all the time, but it really is important. You don't have to eat poorly on the road. You can chef it up however you like. Take a hot dog, add a little something to it, make it yours, and that's how you can have fun on the road chefing it up. Hey, I'm going to put a link to how I do this all underneath so you can do it at home or on the road. Make sure you follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, have fun, chef it up. It'll be worth it.